and the day after
We
that.
did start a GoFundMe for him today.
True story.
And we are live.
Oh, I want to do that so bad. And see if our students and community would actually do it. And like we just say straight out, like he needs money.
Guys, he bounced $1 transaction. Jason just really needs our help.
Let's give him some charity. They'll give him.
That wouldn't be opposed.
They'll send him Stoltz coin, and he'll make like negative $1,000.
Prime
Well,
money.
That would just be mean to do that to him. No one deserves that.
We're gonna have with our new crypto token. We're gonna have our own exchange, and all these tokens exchange. But when the Caleb's gets exchanged, it's like negative 10,000.
No.
We actually let the trade happen, though.
Hey Caleb, I have to tell you, I really enjoyed the whole second section on the blockchain slope. I went through it all last night.
Wow, thanks, man.
Yeah, it was good.
Appreciate it. It was fun.
All right. That whole like web-based interface is so cool.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot going on there. Be a lot of work to make that yourself.
All right. So, how was my day? My day was frustrating, just getting little silly bugs out of the way. Yeah, just preparing to have our official launch on the 1st. Yeah, that was it. And my little bugs I was working on all day, it just has to do with the Windows operating system. How was your day, Jason?
My day was pretty good. So I got sick yesterday, and I'm half sick today.
So that's the good. That's good.
That's good because I'm only half sick instead of full sick. Lots of emails, lots of intercom and sales stuff. Had a call with Evan and the other important members of Devslopes, team members were on that call. And
wait, what call?
QA cards for the release of Devslopes 2.0, the official release. And I think that's it. There's probably more. Oh, and I got Caleb's resources up in the admin app that just needs to go live. And that's it.
Sweet.
And there's more to come tonight. So.
Good work, Nate.
Yeah. It was a pretty good day. It was primarily just kind of thinking and wrapping up little things here and there for launch. I've reviewed kind of like the next features that we'll be doing just so I can kind of start getting my head wrapped around it and get some ideas. And then I have one Windows UI fix. I just need to get a Windows machine. I kind of forgot about that earlier today until right before stand-up. So
I think I saw a PC repair shop next to the senior citizen home. They might have some Windows, like they come in these computer screens and like got the window icon on it and it says start menu or something like that. There's like a big blue E or something. I don't know.
it just has to run what, Windows 98?
Windows. It's all the same.
98?
It's all the same. Windows. I think Windows 95 is like.
Oh yeah, they didn't update the operating system. They just changed the year.
The numbers. Yeah,
that's right. Yeah.
Yeah, they repackaged it, and they're like, well, since we packaged it in 98, I think we can call it Windows 98.
Let's redesign the Internet Explorer icon with a different E, and we'll call it Edge.
You know that Internet Explorer that really sucks and no one likes? Let's make it sound cooler.
Let's rebrand. It'll be way cooler.
Instead of Explorer, because no one explores anymore. They just like to be on the edge. Oh, that's brilliant. Let's call it Edge.
I want to make a video and put that on YouTube, like the design meeting that happened for Microsoft Edge.
And have Evan with like really elaborate, smart plans, but we don't take any of his advice, and we just go with
stupid.
Edge.
We're just gonna call it Edge.
I love it. All right. Mark, how was your day?
It was good, man. It was good. Just blockchain stuff is growing. It's really growing. I'm learning a lot, doing a lot. In just the world of blockchain. Yesterday, we launched our official cryptocurrency, which was really cool. It's legitimate. It's on a public blockchain. You'll hear more about it, but we've launched a crypto that is not unlike the crypto that all these other companies have been launching, raising ICOs using the same platform that we launched on. And so we're in the race now, except no ICO and no securities to deal with, and no shareholders, things like that. Like it's cool. It's really cool. And so you'll hear more about it. I'm not going to tell too much about it, but maybe if you're real nice to me, I haven't made it fully autonomous yet. So I just, I might have some good graces, maybe some ways you can earn it or giveaways. But Jacob surely ain't getting any. But so anyway, that's been fun. And doing some more lessons tonight on the NEM blockchain platform. And I'll be jumping more into Ethereum as well, too, because we have some opportunities there. So all in all, blockchain is growing, and some really cool things are happening there. And that's, yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, we're gonna do a weekly blockchain meetup, digital meetup online. It's called Devslopes Block Chat. I'm going to announce it probably tonight when we're going to have it. But every week, it's open to the public and to our subscribers. But we have a blockchain Telegram channel now. It's for serious blockchain developers only. It's open to the public, like I said, and we just focus on the tech. There's no Devslopes support there. There's no touchy-feely anything. I'm not real nice on that channel. Like, I'm my normal self, but if you want me to be nice to you, come talk to me on Slack. If you want me to tell you how it is, come talk to me on the blockchain chat room where we just talk about tech and stuff. Anyway, it's real cool. I want to promote innovation and technology and development outside of just you got to be a Devslopes subscriber. So I want to promote a blockchain development to everybody. So I launched that as well too. I'll get the link and post it here in the chat. That's all I got.
Cool. All right. Evan.
Yo, it was a good day. Like Jason said, we had a call basically talking about how we're going to organize slopes starting next month. So it's going to be really cool for those of you guys who are, in 2.0. We're going to have a lot more coffee and codes, a lot more engagement within each slope, which is going to be really exciting. One team member is going to be spearheading a lot of things, and then encouraged to post
leaders. Yeah.
Yeah.
Leader, come in, Apple Slope, come in.
Yeah.
Are we still going with leader?
The name is pending, patent pending, trademark pending, whatever. But that's good. It's really exciting. And so all this energy around blockchain, it's going to be duplicated all through all of our slopes. So that's really cool.
Supreme Commander, Apple Supreme Commander.
It should just be
Supreme Leader.
It should be like a completely different word for each slope. I don't know. Anyways,
that'd be fun. Like the Stoltzites for Apple.
Yeah.
The Republic of iOS.
Yeah. The iOS Republic. Yeah. So that was good. Jason was kind enough to take over some QA stuff for me, and then the rest of the day has been more or less mocking up a way to some cool ways we could utilize our crypto. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then just getting ready for lunch.
Getting ready for lunch?
Lunch, and then launch.
Oh wait, when is launch? Tell us about launch.
So our full launch is coming March 1st, and what that means is that our pre-launch prices are gonna go away likely in the next 36 hours.
What?
So tell me more, right? So if you haven't purchased Slope on Devslopes 2.0 already, go ahead and do that now because prices are going to go back up come March 1st. So go ahead and grab your Slopes, join the iOS Republic or the Android cult. I don't know. we're gonna think about our names, but yeah, that was pretty much my day.
Like that. So
Android Kool-Aid, that'll be the next version.
Caleb's a supreme leader. Android, no, I want the cult though, guys. I want to be the cult leader. So blockchain cult, you know, Jacob and the a-holes.
Isn't that his band?
Just kidding, buddy.
The Worldwide Flat Web for Jason.
Oh man, no one's gonna join that club.
The flat World Wide Web.
Yeah, the Flat Worldwide Web. But yeah, that was my day. It was a good day.
Very nice.
Jacob, I can't hear you.
My mic was muted. I mute it when I'm swearing under my breath. All right,
your band's next song.
Hey guys, I did social media stuff today. Just kind of engaged with people there, and Intercom as well. Was in the Slack channel for subscribers a bit. I don't really know what else to call that community anymore. Well, I guess it still works. But anyway,
people who pay us money to be here.
Yes, that one.
Slopers.
I'll go change the name right now. Anyway, so
elopers? Is that what you said? Elopers?
No, slopers. Our slopers.
Slopers. There you go. Nice. And then I recorded 4 blockchain videos and edited a bit of a YouTube video.
What does that even mean? You just edited a byte of the...
One byte. One
bit.
One bit.
Get it right. Not a nibble.
Evan, that makes me think, you know, obviously we've talked about the whole jitter chat room thing, but I do want to let you know that Telegram, I've actually been quite impressed with it. It's way faster, uploads pretty much every media type, and it's all free and full API access. And so like automatic joining and you know, like kicking and all these things that we need to code to keep our community safe from the outside world. Like it's all free and open, and all the things we can't do with Slack, we can code, from bots to auto messages, all that stuff that we can't do with Slack. You can do all of that with Telegram. I'm not saying we need to do that. It's just, I just recently learned this and I have been loving using it because it's so much faster than Slack.
Do you still get end-to-end encryption if you use their API?
I don't know anything about that, Caleb.
Oh, well, fine.
Oh, good to know.
I'll find out.
It is pretty nice. The only thing I don't like about their app is it's really hard to silent notifications on just groups. So your phone constantly blows up when you have
I turn mine off.
For the whole app, I can, but I couldn't turn it off just for one.
Dude, I turned off all my notifications, even for Slack. I'm just sick of my team messaging me. They're just...
I know, you never reply to me. I have to like call you, press the shock button on your dog collar.
That'd be so funny. Put it on sudo and it's remote. And every time I hear him yelp, I'm like, oh, Jacob wants me.
Oh, of course, at least make Jason or Nate wear it, not the dog.
Jason. Ah, dang it. Answer your freaking phone, Mark.
Like whenever Nate or Jason actually swears, you know they're being zapped.
Oh.
I leave for 3 seconds, and this is what I come back to.
Yeah,
it's getting kinky. I mean, weird.
Yeah.
All right. Well, Ben, have you gone yet?
No, I was just trying to slide under the radar.
Ben, you don't get to do that.
Oh, that's unfortunate. Are you want me to go now, or
Well, obviously.
Today I recorded most of the rest of the Angular 5 beginner section.
Nice.
I got designs from Evan last night for the student project. So I'm going to be recording the 4 or 5 videos I have left for Angular tonight and getting that ready to go. And then I'll be editing into the night along with the help of my lovely wife, who's going to jump on a video editor and help me with that.
Well, you tell Michaela, you tell her that you got some Devslopes crypto coming your way, buddy. So
okay,
tell her to
no
go buy
idea
something nice.
Go buy something nice with this.
Go take her out to Sizzler.
Has no value. Don't spend it all in one place.
Oh my gosh. I was on the call earlier, but everybody pretty much covered that. The rest of my day, I picked out a topic for my next game dev blog post that I'll be writing tonight or tomorrow, and did some planning and asset creation for this week's Sprite Club meeting. It's going to be Saturday.
I like that. That's like Glee Club. Do you guys sing?
No, I was thinking more like Fight Club, Mark. Jeez.
Welcome to the Sprite Club.
Oh my gosh.
I'll just write a little acapella jingle.
Yeah, that's intro music.
Oh my gosh, Caleb on a guitar, just singing like campfire song. Sprite Club, Sprite Club.
Welcome to Sprite Club. Be awesome. Be like a 90s TV show theme song.
And then you end it opening a Sprite.
And that's the entire episode.
Perfect.
People would probably be pretty disappointed.
I don't know.
What? How to get started with Sprite.
Now that's what I call an open API.
Oh my gosh.
You guys are nerds.
So that just got totally derailed. Anyways, it's Saturday at 7 p.m. Pacific.
Nice.
So I also did some web cleanup and debugged Jason's bank account. So that was fun.
Oh my gosh. Like, it couldn't have come together any better than it did. Like, I mean, the whole thing, we're like freaking out. The website's not making purchases. He's like, guys, it's just not working. I'm like, crud, we just sent out an email and we're digging in servers and stuff. And then I go on to Stripe and it's like, do not approve card, decline. And I'm like, who was it? Someone's like, I don't think the website's broke, Jason. I think you are.
Poor Jason. I'm sorry to find out that way.
Not to mention it was for $1.
It was for $1. Do not approve in big red letters. Don't let this purchase go through.
Careful, this guy's shady. He spends dollars like crazy.
So that whole convo is screenshotted, by the way, and emailed to that email address you provided earlier, Mark. Should be in there in a zip file.
Yeah.
Jason's going to be logging in and just deleting that.
It's okay. I made copies.
Oh.
By the way, for like 10 cash. So yeah, that was my day.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that stressful like early afternoon or late morning, like everything's blowing up and broken.
Oh, I can't take it.
Dude, I was feeling pretty good about the website, and then that happened, and I'm sitting there the whole time just going, what have I done? What did I do? Crap.
And I was like, I hope this is done. I hope this is done.
The lesson learned is trust our code more and trust Jason less.
Jason, how's QA going, by the way? Good?
Speaking of QA.
Speaking of QA, it'll get started soon.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, I can't log in. Password and email field is totally broken on live. Oh wait, still my password.
All right, guys. We'll stop busting Jason live.
Oh shoot, guys, this is totally inappropriate.
See you guys.
Oh.